Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy a new tablet, you have probably asked yourself one question: should I buy an iPad or Samsung Galaxy Tab? The truth is that both tablets and iPad are excellent, but they shine in different areas. In this video, I will tell you what each one does best so that you can choose the right tablet for your needs. Let's talk about iPad. The biggest advantage of an iPad is performance. Even the base iPad delivers smooth performance for gaming, video editing and multitasking. Another major benefit is long software support. Apple typically provides updates for many years, so your iPad stays secure and useful for a long period. Another advantage of iPad is the display. The display quality is top-notch. You can see even iPad 10th generation and iPad 11th generation has excellent display. Though it is non-laminated, yet you will not feel any kind of drawback in the display. Moreover, if you are a person who likes to edit videos on iPad, in that case iPad will definitely please you, because video editing and 4K 60 fps video rendering is smooth enough on iPad than Samsung tablets. Now let's talk about Samsung. Samsung's biggest strength is productivity. With Samsung DeX, your tablet can feel much more like a laptop. The display quality of Samsung tablets are excellent, so you will enjoy thoroughly multimedia contents on Samsung tablets. Suppose you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus or S10 FE Plus. In that case, multitasking will be excellent. You can open multiple apps, resize windows and drag and drop files easily. Though the displays will not be AMOLED, yet you will get perfect screen reproduction, and we know that Samsung produced the best display in the market. Plus, Android gives you more freedom with file management, USB drives and app customization. Another huge advantage with Samsung S tablet is that you will get S Pen inside the box that is free of cost. So you can create many things. Writing experience is very good on Samsung tablets. So if you are planning to buy a tablet on the basis of note-taking experience, in that case you should not buy iPad, rather you should go for Samsung tablets, because note-taking experience is better on Samsung tablets. However, it is not that iPad has a bad writing experience, but if you compare them side by side, I think Samsung has an edge. So in the conclusion, which one to buy? Choose an iPad if you want the best performance, long-term software support, and you are already part of Apple ecosystem. And if you don't have these requirements, in that case choose Samsung Galaxy Tab series if you want better multitasking, desktop-like experience, free S Pen in the box and more flexibility. Now let me know in the comment sections below which one you are preferring to buy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.